All right, Bay Lake Tower, room 7202, room tour. So, I guess let me take that out of the door now. All right, back at the door, we have the standard evacuation route and the room occupied door tag. We've got the light for the main hall, and I'm just gonna turn right to the left here. We have these really kind of futuristic sliding doors, kind of squeaky, but this is what I would consider the main bathroom. Let me turn on both lights, there we go. So, very standard shower. You do have a line here for wet clothes. Normally this comes undone, maybe not. Oh, is this not? Maybe I'm totally wrong. I thought this pulled out. Okay, I'm totally wrong then. On the cruise, it was a wire that pulled out and attached over there so you can hang clothes. Anyway, I guess it's late and I'm doing it wrong. Standard bathroom anyway. We've got the toiletries, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and bath soap. The towel to lie on the floor. Standard. Really no, I mean, okay. There, you can kind of see the Mickey. See his eyes, ears. It's very sterile here in the contemporary. Towels. Toilet. I really like this setup though. I really appreciate that they have a shelf here because when we stayed at Wilderness Lodge, there was no shelving for toiletries, so I ended up putting all of my stuff on the floor, which was not great. So there's bathroom. Here's a little storage that has behind a washer and dryer. And of course they have the laundry detergent as well, so you do not have to bring that from home. That is supplied. Then we've got a fun little picture of Mickey. This is just right off the entry. So first room that you're gonna see is the living / kitchen area. Very much feels like a diner or something with this like kitchen
it's just modern
booth.
Space, sort of, because Space Mountain, obviously.
Right.
Which is what we can see outside of our window.
Yeah, I'll show you guys that. It's so cool. And then we've got the big TV and storage, which is nice. Again, if you are staying for a long period of time, if you've got like board games that you're bringing, or if you just need extra clothes and shoe storage, these are really great. 3 of those and another cabinet there. What was interesting is these fold out to be, what is that, like a sleeper bed?
Yeah, like a sleeper where Able is and where that one is.
But you could tell that it was slept in, or they had pulled it apart to maybe like change the base sheet, but they didn't like reattach it fully, so you can tell it's been like pulled out and then just kind of haphazardly thrown back. Same for the couch as well. See, it's like exposed, which is interesting. I don't think you're normally supposed to see that. There's my husband. What are you doing? You're listening to the voicemails? We just checked in.
Yeah, I was like, what it?
Okay.
Okay.
So anyway,
TV though.
TV, chair, couch. Yep, that's what I was explaining. Opens to a sleeper, little ottoman for storage. So there's storage options in here.
Also the pillows.
Oh, pillows and sheets.
Pillows
Very
and
nice,
sheets.
very nice.
Clean.
I can only stay in a 2-bedroom now.
Mama's
This
spoiled.
is bigger than our house.
It is not. All right, here's a kitchen, which is beautiful. I don't know if I like it more than the old Key West. I think I just like the style of old Key West more than this one, just because the theming is, like we said, very spacey, very sterile. But it is a huge kitchen. You can do so much in here. Yeah. What is this?
Like probably storage, which I think is very cool.
What a trip.
That's like a pull-out pantry. You could put all your cans and all kinds of stuff in there.
Oh, what a trip. And then you have standard microwave and stove. storage
I think
under.
that they supply
I was gonna say, I think that there is stuff in here, right? Yeah, like baking pans and whatnot.
behind you, cutting board and glass baker. The only thing I'll say is Disney doesn't give you any spices, so if you are cooking, you have to make sure there's too many spices.
But that makes sense. They wouldn't, I mean, how would they upkeep that? And then here's down here, we've got pots and pans. And then in here, same thing. Garbage. Another cool spacey. That is just such a trip. Like, what would you put in that? Just a baking pan is it would only be thin enough to fit there.
Yeah, wine.
Yeah, but you could put like anything stuff like that. Your oils and vinegars and
Hand soap, sponge, dishwash towel, and detergent for the dishwasher. I mean, the counter space here is just great. And you can make some coffee in the morning. We know that they traditionally leave the Joffrey's, and this is the 50th, so that's really fun. There's 2 of those, and then a artisan roasted coffee, artisan decaf. No tea. There's no tea. That's disappointing. Fridge size.
Oh, that's a nice.
Huge. Big old fridge. Nice freezer.
perfect if you're staying for a while and you can have all breakfasts in your room.
I mean, honestly, this is fantastic space. And so this is all just the front. Coming off the front door. I'm gonna go into the bedrooms now. Going to mom's first. Thank you. So here is her closet. There we go. We've got room up top for luggage, shoes, lots of hangers, ironing board and iron, a safe. Then into the bathroom itself, we have the huge master tub, and those do collapse into each other, so it would be an open window into the bedroom. You've got the Magic Kingdom Cinderella Castle portrait. I absolutely love the tile in here. It's so pretty. Let me back up. Bathroom, all the same toiletries, soap, the facial soap bar, the lotion, things like that. Lots of storage, and then more toiletries for the cool shower. Ooh, I went the wrong way. I thought it was gonna open the other way. But I mean, this is pretty sizable. Nice. Again, the tile comes into the shower too. It's those little details. It's really, really nice. Toilet, shelf with more towels, and then the same, this has the kind of sliding glass barn door. They're very squeaky. They're not smooth, I will say that. Into the bedroom itself. One king size bed, 2 nightstands, nice sitting chair, nice reading chair, and a desk area, which is beautiful. Little LG TV and some additional storage for your items. There's also balconies on both sides. I'm going to show you the balcony on our side. Oh, and you've got some rods to hang maybe purses, other personal items that you can hang. What'd you say? Uh-oh. Oh, I thought you said uh-oh. I was like, uh-oh, what? All right, here's into across the main entryway, going into the second bedroom, which is where Abel and I will be staying. This is just an additional closet. We've got some shelving up top again for shoes, bags, whatever, and then a laundry basket down below. I'm sure they have laundry on site, but you also have a laundry in your room, so. Here, first door, another closet, a ton of hanging room, which I so appreciate because as a girl that wears a lot of dresses, I like being able to hang my stuff. Into the bathroom. So this one's definitely a little bit more compact. It does not have the large master tub as the other one does, but still, again, the sliding door. Still the really nice hangers for the towels. Plenty of towel shelving space, the toilet, and still a really decent sized tub and shower combo. Again, love that tile. You know you're going into your 30s when you like look at the tile in a bathroom. So here's our space, a TV, nice drawers, 2 queens, and the Mickey and Minnie above is it for me. Absolutely love that. Table with 2 chairs, nice mirror. And then let me show you, it is dark outside, y'all, and I don't think that there's a light, but I did want to show you because there's a step. I don't know if you can see. Those are chairs, but we have water facing view, and what is especially cool is there is Space Mountain. So you can see Space Mountain from our room. So cool. Let me close this. Let's go back out to the living room and see what they think of it. The family thinks of the room. I mean, this place is huge. I feel like I'm walking really far to get back to you. Okay, what do we think?
I mean, I love it. I
love it.
I can't stay in anything else from now on.
It is.
Sorry.
I
She's
think for so
spoiled.
many people here, though.
Oh, I mean, this is comfortably. I think it's supposed to be
4,
6, 8 adults.
9 probably.
Yeah.
I'd
We
say
all sleep
9.
on the floor. Look how much floor you know.
I don't know about that, but
No, we have. I mean, there's.
but for real,
A lot of room.
I think if you, some people don't like to cook on vacation or whatever, but definitely saves you money to have the kitchen so you can, you know, if you had a crock pot here, you could be making meals or.
That's what we're gonna do when we go to Hilton Head.
Yeah, I can't wait to cook.
So good. Good morning. I tried to show you guys the view last night. You can hear the woodpecker, but it was very dark, so just wanted to show you what it looks like from our room in the day when you can see much better. So this is the lake view I was talking about, and there is Space Mountain. But oh my god, it is stunning. Florida nature is so beautiful. Abel says he can see cardinals. I can hear a woodpecker, but I really don't see anything. My eyes aren't that great. Beautiful. We are seated at Steakhouse 71. Birthday breakfast! I'm going to show you guys the menu because it is online. Is Abel feeling poor sicky as he is? Let me. Okay, here we go. So when you come, they have you scan your phone. So I'm trying to have it be as clear as possible. But you'll see a drop-down menu here that you can, I'm sure, change to lunch and dinner, but I have it on breakfast as that's what we're here for. So appetizers, they've got fruit plate, fresh baked breakfast pastries, and oatmeal. And then entrees, I was looking at the American, but I just found out the seasonal flavor for the pancakes, so I'll be getting that. Eggs Benedict, prime rib hash, the Steakhouse 71 feast, and then the seasonal pancakes, that's what I'll be getting. They are chocolate chip pancakes with raspberry drizzle and strawberries and something delicious. So I'll be getting those. Oh my goodness. Steak and eggs, veggie omelet, ham and cheddar omelet, Western omelet, Floridian eggs Benedict, and the avocado toast. I know Abel's gonna get the avocado toast. Mom, did you decide what you wanted?
I'm gonna do the ham and cheese omelet.
Ooh, ham and cheese omelet. Sides are very few. Grits, bacon or sausage, breakfast potatoes, and chicken sausage. But then what we looked up too are these non-alcoholic specialties. They do not have the iridescent sip abrasion. They've got coffees, but Mom and I are getting this sherbet punch. It's orange sherbet, Sprite, and house-made grenadine. We thought that was a pretty birthday-esque breakfast drink. So just more coffees, And then lastly, they have wake up calls. So these are coffees and beverages with alcohol. Bourbon cold brew, Bloody Mary, tequila sunrise, and a mimosa. So that is the menu.
Check out this one that says
Coffee is on the bitter side, and then the tonic makes it bitter as well.
Okay, I'm fine with one.
Okay.
Here is
I always just like to warn people because it comes out and they're like,
I know it's cold brew, yes.
yeah.
Alright, no worries. Sherbet punch. It looks so pretty.
no straw, so do you eat it?
I think eat the sherbet out of there. I don't know. Yeah, just sip it, I guess. It's good? You want some of mine, honey?
I'm okay.
You can eat your potato, honey. He threw that potato back on the plate because I put the camera out.
They could see it.
It's okay.
It's so bougie.
So these are little avocado toast. Here are the pancakes. I'd say we waited only maybe 10-15 minutes. I think the service was pretty quick turnaround. Ham and cheese omelet. Oh my goodness. How's it, baby?
Good so
Nice.
It's delicious.
Yay.
I hear good things.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Thank you.